Hi, I'm Matilda, and I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So, if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link in the description down below to find out more about the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So, if you like the topics that I'm sharing in this channel, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all future videos. True authentic essential oils have so many uses and benefits and have been used since biblical times, Egyptian times, in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine as well. However, as the essential oil market continues to grow, there are also growing concerns on the safety of these highly concentrated plant extracts. While these precious oils can be really useful, we need to ensure we use high quality essential oils and learn how to use these oils responsibly for our own safety and that of our family and friends that we recommend these essential oils to. Whether a specific oil is safe for you depends on a number of factors, including your age, whether you have any skin sensitivity, underlying health conditions, as well as whether you're on any medication. When it comes to the individual essential oil, it's important to consider the chemical composition and authenticity of that oil, how you use it, how long you use it, as well as how much do you use. Watch on to learn what are the common mistakes when using essential oils and how you can use them safely. If you like this video that I am sharing, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash the like button and share it with your friends so that we can educate more people on the benefits of essential oils while using them safely and responsibly. The first mistake is thinking that you need to know everything. While it is important to get ourselves educated about the essential oils that we are using, we don't need to know everything before we start using them. Because even, after using all these essential oils for more than 8, 9 years, I am still continuously learning. So this journey of learning how to use essential oils is an ongoing journey because there's just so much to these plants and there's just so much to learn. So I would suggest that for anyone who would like to start using essential oils, just learn about 6 common essential oils for a start. And these are the 6 common essential oils that I recommend that you start with: lavender, peppermint, lemon, frankincense, copaiba, and tea tree. And I have videos on all these individual oils that you can find in my channel. So if you have not watched these videos on lavender, peppermint, lemon, frankincense, copaiba, and tea tree yet, do watch them after you finish this video. Mistake number 2, giving the wrong advice. There are many people out there who are trying to make a buck selling essential oils, and they may not be educated enough to give you the right advice. So I would always suggest that you read up on reliable essential oil books or consult someone who is a certified clinical aromatherapist or take up a certification course yourself to get yourself educated, because these essential oils are really powerful and concentrated form of herbal essence that has medicinal value. So you need to know what are they used for, what are some of the contraindications. When the wrong advice is given, it could affect someone's health and well-being. And so I strongly emphasize that education is very crucial. So always read up, always attend trainings, and seek advice from people who are experienced in using essential oils, and not just experienced but educated. Mistake number 3, disregarding quality. Now, there are so many different types of essential oils out in the market, and some essential oils shouldn't even be called essential oils because they are simply fake. They are synthetic. They are manufactured in the lab. And there are also essential oils that might be partially real but partially adulterated. So, if you are going to buy a cheap oil, chances are it's fake. And when you smell the essential oil, it should smell like it just came from the farm. It should smell like a herb, it should smell like a raw plant. It should not be smelling like a perfume. It should not be smelling also sweet and nice, because true authentic essential oils are distilled, right from the plant without any adulteration. So they should smell like the grass, they should smell like the root of the plant, they should smell like the skin of the fruit of the plant. They should smell like the flower itself. It should not smell commercialized. It should not smell like a perfume. And it's very dangerous to use essential oils that are not real. It's very dangerous to use essential oils that are adulterated, because when you inhale these essential oils, they go to your brain. And when you inhale too much of these fake oils, in the long run, it can cause brain damage. I would suggest that either you use the best quality of essential oils or don't use at all. So how do you actually find high quality essential oils? Ask them, do they own their own farms? Right? Are you able to visit their farms? If the company that's selling the essential oil do not own their own farms, how are they going to ensure the quality? Number two, if they have their own farms, they claim they have their own farms, but you cannot visit them. Does that ring a bell? Thirdly, purchase, the essential oils from a reliable brand that has many people using them that work. And also you can ask, are these essential oils certified to be safe for internal use? If the essential oil is truly distilled from the raw plant itself, then why is it that if we can drink peppermint tea, why can't we ingest peppermint oil? If the essential oil is true, that essential oil should be certified to be of internal use quality. That will be the highest quality for essential oils, all right? Essential oils that can be ingested. But of course, there are a few plants that these plants itself, they are not supposed to be ingested. Then, of course, the oil that's produced from these plants should not be ingested as well. Mistake number 4, disregarding the dosage and frequency of use. I must emphasize that this is a very important mistake that many people make and often neglected. Always consult a certified clinical aromatherapist whenever you're in doubt of the dosage to start with, especially when using the essential oils internally. If the dosage is too high, it might be too strong for you. Conversely, if the dosage is too low, it might not be effective. And if you are not using the essential oils frequently enough and long enough, you will not see any results. So be patient and consistent in your usage of essential oils. If you are using the essential oils for a specific purpose and you want to see results from that, I would recommend that you use the essential oils at least once to twice every day. And depending on what the issue is, you have to use it for at least a week to start seeing some results. And for a long-term maintenance, you might want to use it for at least 3 months. Mistake number 5, not drinking enough water. This is a common mistake for many people. Essential oils are good at helping our bodies detox by pulling toxins out of our bodies. However, it is important that we understand that if we do not hydrate our bodies adequately, our bodies will not be able to purge the toxins out via urination or perspiration. When that happens, the toxins will have to come out via our skin, as the skin is our largest organ. That will create rashes and skin irritations. When that happens, do not apply any more essential oils on the skin. I repeat, do not apply any more essential oils on the skin if you have any rashes or skin irritations or itchy skin, because that will pull even more toxins out of the skin and create even more irritation. Instead, stay calm and just drink lots of water. And if the skin is very irritated, you can calm it with aloe vera gel or floral water or a carrier oil such as organic virgin coconut oil or almond oil or olive oil. Mistake number 6, using all oils the same way. Not all oils are safe to be used the same way, and some oils are more effective when used in a certain way for certain types of issues and for certain body types. Generally, for emotional and mental well being, I recommend inhaling or diffusing the essential oils as the most effective method. However, when a person is having an asthma attack, never let them inhale any more essential oils, as that will further stimulate their respiratory system. The safer way will be to apply the essential oil instead. And as mentioned earlier, essential oils have different quality, so if you want to use it internally, only ingest essential oils certified for internal use. There are also some hot oils that need to be diluted, which I will be covering more in detail later. Mistake number 7, using photosensitive oils in the sun. Do not apply these essential oils on the skin and expose to the sun. It's okay to apply and not go into the sun, or if you are going into the sun, apply the oils underneath your clothes or on the bottoms of your feet. If you apply these essential oils and you go expose your skin to the sun, you will end up having a rash or a burn. And most of the time, photosensitive reactions are irreversible. So these are some of the essential oils that you should be avoiding. And they are typically citrus fruit peel oils like lemon, orange, lime, bergamot, grapefruit. Mistake number 8, not diluting hot oils. So some of these hot oils will be oregano, thyme, clove, cinnamon, lemongrass. When applying these hot oils to your skin, you have to always dilute them with a carrier oil first. So carrier oils can be like organic extra virgin coconut oil, organic extra virgin olive oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, or even black seed oil. Mistake number 9. Using oils the same way on kids as adults. Kids have thinner skin than adults and therefore always dilute essential oils by a higher concentration when using on kids. When in doubt, applying on the bottoms of the feet is the safest area to apply. Those under 30 months old may not have their respiratory system fully developed yet. Hence, when diffusing essential oils, I'd avoid diffusing essential oils that are too stimulating for the respiratory system for kids under 30 months old, such as peppermint and eucalyptus. And for eucalyptus, eucalyptus blue will be the safest among all the eucalyptus species for kids. Mistake number 10, assuming it's all safe for pets. Here are some essential oils that are not recommended for pets, especially cats who are more sensitive to essential oils than dogs. Generally speaking, dogs react positively to more kinds of essential oils like humans, so some dogs may be able to accept some of these oils, but as a general precaution, these are some of the oils that you should avoid applying on your pets. Basil, cinnamon, clove, oregano, tea tree, thyme, wintergreen. And here are some essential oils that are safer for pets, like cedarwood. It helps to repel pests like fleas and ticks and has a relaxing effect on the pets and supports healthy skin as well. Lavender has a calming effect and reduces stress and hyperactivity. Frankincense is great for skincare and behavioral improvement. Copaiba has anti-inflammatory properties, and helichrysum helps with wound healing. Mistake number 11, using no-no oils during pregnancy. Now, there are some essential oils with certain properties that make them very sensitive to pregnant women. So during pregnancy, I would suggest to avoid essential oils that are muscle relaxants, emmenagogue essential oils, which means these essential oils help promote bleeding, and these are good, for women with scanty periods or who have circulatory problems, but definitely no for pregnancy. Also, avoid essential oils that have abortifacient properties that might lead to miscarriage. And you will also want to avoid essential oils with hormonal properties because during pregnancy, there's a lot of hormonal fluctuations and you do not want to interfere with the hormones during this period of time. Here are some essential oils to avoid during pregnancy, but this is not an exhaustive list of essential oils. There may be more essential oils to avoid, but these are the ones that I would say definitely try to avoid during pregnancy, like angelica, birch, clary sage, fennel, hyssop, marjoram, mugwort, myrrh, pennyroyal, sage, tansy, wintergreen. And the safest oils to use throughout pregnancy will be just to diffuse citrus oils to uplift the mood of pregnant ladies. Mistake number 12, contraindications if you are on medication. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, all these plant extracts are very powerful and they have medicinal values. And there are certain contraindications for certain essential oils that you should take note of, especially if you are on medication. And if we are introducing these essential oils to someone else, we should also always find out if there are any medication so that when we recommend essential oils, we know what are some of the essential oils to avoid. So here are some common ones like high blood pressure. I would say avoid rosemary or any essential oils that are very energizing, hyper, that might elevate the blood pressure. If you want to find out more, do check out my video on high blood pressure after you have finished this video. And for those with low blood pressure, you might want to avoid using lavender and ylang ylang. And for those who are epileptic, there are actually many essential oils for you to avoid, like eucalyptus, fennel, hyssop, rosemary, sage, and wintergreen. And when in doubt, consult a certified clinical aromatherapist before using any essential oils. And for those of you who are on blood thinning medication, try to avoid clove, ginger, and wintergreen. And for those with estrogen-dependent cancer, avoid the hormonal oils. Mistake number 13, no training or certification. I strongly believe in education as it increases your level of confidence when using essential oils, and it also helps build credibility when you're sharing about essential oils with your friends and family, and it also helps to establish yourself as an authority in this subject matter if you want to be a subject matter expert. So, whether you are a beginner or just a user of essential oils, it is always good to be educated in anything that you do, in anything that you use. Of course, it will be best if you could get yourself certified in aromatherapy so that you know more of the essential oils and what they can do for you, as well as your friends and your family, and you'll be properly educated. But if you do not have the time, energy, or resources to go for a full certification, you can always watch all the other videos that I have produced on this channel to educate yourself and get yourself familiarized with all the essential oils and what they can do for you. If you like what I have just shared, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share today. I really appreciate you being here today. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.